In this video, I'll be showing you how I made this realistic natural girl wig. If you are interested in seeing how I made this wig, then keep watching. Welcome back, guys. So I'll be showing you how I made this wig using the weave bundles that we created in the previous video. So here are the supplies that you need. You need your mannequin head, then you need a wig cap, you need your needles. Any needle will do, either the C needle, the straight needle, any one you have is fine. You also need thread to sew, and then you need the weave bundles that we created from the previous video. If you prefer, you can just look for any kinky hair, any kinky weave on, and then you use that for your hair. So I'm going to be using this one that I made by myself. Now the first thing you want to do is to turn your cap to the wrong side. So make sure that your cap is secure on your mannequin head. So I'm going to sew that weave bundle that I created the last time on the edge of the cap. That is on the reverse side of the cap. Make sure that your sewing is secure and neat as well. So I'm just going to keep sewing that until I get to the other ear. That we are done sewing, you need to turn the cap back to the right side. So when you turn the cap to the right side, this is what it should look like. Go ahead and secure your cap to the mannequin head again. I just flip the hair over to the back and I'm fluffing it out with my fingers, detangling it and stretching it a bit to cover up the back before I move on to the next thing. Make sure that you do not pull too much so that the wrong side that you sewed does not shift to the front. Okay, you want to make sure that the front is laying flat while you arrange the back. Now when you're satisfied with the way the front looks, you are going to tack down this hair at the back. Just watch what I'm doing and you'll understand what I'm doing. You just need to sew on the hair all around to keep the hair secure on the cap so that it doesn't move. So moving on to the next thing, we are going to sew another hair on top of that one that we just laid. All right, watch what I'm doing, you will understand it clearly. See the way I'm going to place that hair and sew it down. That is how you want to do your own as well. So the next thing to do is to keep sewing down the remaining weave bundles to the cap. You keep doing that until you have covered the whole cap. All right, now I'm starting from the back and sewing the hair. I'm done sewing, I'm going to bring down the excess hair from the one we sewed to the reverse side of the cap. That is what I brought down, and I allowed it to just lay there, and then I'm going to be sewing hair on top, right? I don't want to trim off that hair, so it's going to cover the cap and further give the illusion that this is actually your hair and that the hair is growing out of your scalp. I'm going to keep doing that, sewing the hair onto the cap until I am done with the whole cap, until I've covered the whole cap to my liking. like this kind of videos, please let me know in the comment section. Please don't forget to like this video and share it with somebody. You never can tell who might be interested in this. If you're not yet a part of this family, please subscribe to the channel so that you can become a part of this awesome family. When you subscribe, please hit the notification bell so that you get notified anytime I upload a new video. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you have any video suggestions for me, please send them to my Instagram handle at Munnoh_, and I'll be delighted to create videos on that for you. Okay? Thank you so much for watching this video. Until I see you next time, stay safe and stay blessed.